So in the last session, almost we performed postmortem on. Have you remembered, right? Sir, abstract modifier we covered, sir. Abstract modifier we discussed about that. Okay, just the next thing what I have to what I have to discuss is strict FOP, but actually not required for the exam, not required for the exam, but still. So why we have to miss that? Just a matter of 5 minutes. I will discuss about this one. Strict FOP modifier, strict FOP modifier, right? Do you know what is the meaning of strict FOP? What is the meaning of strict FOP? Strict FOP means strict floating point. Okay, strict floating point. Remember this one. Strict FOP means strict floating point. So floating point calculations, can you please perform very strictly? Such type of thing is by default considered as strict FOP modifier. Okay, like now my question is very important point. Where it is applicable, where this concept is applicable. Okay, very simple, sir. This concept is applicable. I mean, we can use this modifier. We can use this modifier for classes, and the methods, but not for variables. Classes and methods, but not for variables. Remember this one, sir. So we can use this modifier for classes and methods, but not for variables. For variables, we can't apply this one, sir. Then immediately you may ask, sir, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of strict FOP modifier? When we require to go for this modifier, like you may ask very simple terminology, friends. Here, just observe that. Sir, I have one method is there. Assume that I have one method is there, sir. Now listen very carefully about this terminology. Sir, I have one method is there. Public static void main. Assume that I'm trying to perform 10.0 by 3. Can you please guess what is the answer we are going to get? Yes, friends. Okay, if I can take 10.0 by 3, if I can take, can you please confirm what is the output we are going to get? Anyone, please respond. Anyone, what the output we will get, sir? If I can take 10.0 by 3, what the answer we will get? Can you please confirm? Ayo, please confirm 10.0 by 3. So this is, do you know floating point division? The output what we are going to get is, let me execute this one, not a 3 point, do you know, in the normal mathematics we can use 3.33333333. In at our childhood we may use bar. bar means, do you know, just it is keep on, any number you can take, there is no end like. Okay, now let me execute this code. Okay, here let me execute this code. Here, just observe carefully. Okay, yeah, let me execute this one. But before that, I require to set path explicitly. Yeah, here just observe. If I execute this, what is the output we are going to get, sir? Okay, now have a look once. Here, just observe that. Here I'm taking Java C test.java. Perfectly, it is the valid, sir. Don't keep any doubt at all. Perfectly itself is the valid. Next, Java test if I can take. Yes, what the answer we are getting? Can you please confirm? 3.33333333, something like we are getting, sir. Sir, now do you know if I execute the same, if I execute the same 10.0 by 3, 10.0 by 3, if I execute on the same calculation on Linux operating system, sir, here in the Windows, I got the 3.333333, something like a 5 I'm getting. But if I execute the same calculation in the Linux operating system, then automatically maybe a chance of different output you may get, sir. Maybe a chance of different output you may get. If I use Mac platform, then automatically on 3.33333 something like it you make it. So the important conclusion what you people should be aware, the result of floating point arithmetic is varied from platform to platform. Remember this one, sir. The result of floating point arithmetic is varied from platform to platform. Okay. So because internally the way of representing floating point number is varied from platform to platform. Here the way of representing floating point values sir are varied. The way of representing floating point values is varied from platform to platform like. So being platform independent Java, it should not accept this type of answers, correct, right? Okay, you are telling that Java is the platform independent. Even the results also should be platform independent results I have to get. But the result of floating point calculations is always depending on underlying floating point arithmetic, underlying platform. That's why. So how I can get platform independent results even for floating point arithmetic also. Okay, so such type of method we have to declare with the strict FP modifier. Remember this one, sir. Such type of method we have to declare with the strict FP modifier. Okay, now immediately you may ask, if a method declared as strict FP, what will happen, sir? What will happen? All floating point calculations in that method has to follow IEEE 754 standard. All floating point calculations in that method has to follow IEEE 754 standard. Remember this one, IEEE 754 standard, it is going to define some guidelines, but after this small point you require to take only 5 digits. Okay, like it may provide some guidelines. Of course you are not required to worry about what rules are there and so on. So after this small point you require to take only 5, only 5 digits only, whether you are executing on the Windows platform or Linux platform or otherwise. So Mac platform, the result is always going to get the same result we will get in the case of floating point arithmetic. So if you want such type of nature for floating point arithmetic, then we have to declare the method as strict FP. Are you getting the point? Friends, are you in the position to understand this one? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of strict FP? What it means? What the meaning of strict FP? Strict floating point. All floating point calculations in this method has to follow IEEE 754 standard, so that it will get a platform independent results in floating point arithmetic also. If you want such a type of nature, then we require to go for what? Such strict FP modifier. Any doubt? Friends, all the people are in the position to understand this one. What is the meaning of strict FP modifier? Okay, that's all. So now this is a new modifier which came in Java 1.2 version. Most of the people don't know about this modifier. Sir, it is the new modifier which came in Java 1.2 version, right? Okay, like that. Now I have one important point. Up to this, the terminology is very clear for you people, right? Now, sir, here just observe what is strict FP versus abstract. What is the strict FP versus abstract like that? Sir, abstract method should not contain any implementation. Abstract method should not contain 1 minute, sir. Later you can talk. So we covered up to only strict FP method. What is the meaning of strict FP method? Anyone can you please tell? Please confirm. If a method declared with strict FP, if a method declared with the strict FP, all floating point calculations, okay, then then all floating point calculations, calculations in that method, all floating point calculations in that method, sir, will follow all floating point calculations in that method follow. Okay, IEEE 754 standard. IEEE 754 standard, IEEE 754 standard, so that we will get a platform independent results. We will get a platform independent results. Remember this one, sir. If a method declared with a strict FP, then all floating point calculations in that method will follow IEEE 754 standard, so that we will get platform independent results. This is strict FP method. Remember this one, sir. So next, here take very special case. Okay. Now, if I can take a strict FP class, what is the meaning of that, sir? So if a class declared as a strict FP, if a class declared as a strict FP, remember this one, very important point, sir. If a class declared as a strict FP, sir, best example, in this class, there are multiple methods are there, sir. Okay, public, here assume that public void m1, yeah, here I have public void m1 is there. So some calculations are there internally, right? Sir, similarly, there are multiple methods are there. There are multiple methods are there, sir. Assume that m1, m2, m3, like multiple methods are there. Now my question is, okay, for all these methods, in every concrete method, all floating point calculations has to follow IEEE 754 standard. Okay, all floating point calculations in that method has to follow IEEE 754 standard. Okay, like what I have to take, instead of declaring at method level, better to declare class as a strict FP. Are you getting right? Instead of declaring at method level, better to declare class as the strict FP. If I declare class as the strict FP, all concrete methods in that class have to follow IEEE 754 standard for floating point mathematics, so that we will get platform independent results. Are you getting the point? Instead of declaring at method level, better to declare at class level. Better to declare at class level, then better to declare at class level, then what is the advantages? This modifier applicable for every concrete method in that class. Remember a bit very carefully about this one, sir. So if a class declared as a strict FP, then every concrete method in that class has to follow IEEE 754 standard, so that we will get platform independent results. Remember this one. If a class declared as the strict FP, then every concrete method in that class has to follow IEEE 754 standard, so that we will get platform independent results. Friends, any doubt about this one? Can you please confirm? If a method declared as the strict FP, what will happen? If a class declared as the strict FP, what will happen? It's a very clear for you. But here one small twist is there. That twist you have to aware clearly. So yesterday we discussed about abstract final. Is it legal for classes or illegal? Legal for class methods. Is it legal or illegal for methods? Is it abstract final combination? Is it legal for methods or not? Respond. Is it illegal for methods or not? Yes, it is illegal. Illegal for methods. Is it illegal for classes or not? Is illegal for classes also, because the reason also I explained very clearly, friends. Okay, now the same thing here is strict FP versus abstract. Strict FP versus abstract. Now observe this one. So strict FP method means strict FP method means all floating point calculations in that method. All floating point calculations in that method. Remember, strict FP method always talks about implementation. Okay, strict FP method always talks about implementation. Okay, but but abstract method never talks about implementation. Never talks about implementation. Remember this one. Abstract method never talks about implementation. Hence, sir, abstract strict FP combination is illegal for methods. Remember this one, sir, is illegal for methods. Yes, perfect. Strict FP method always talks about the implementation, but abstract method never talks about implementation. Hence, abstract strict FP is illegal for methods. Remember this one, sir. Okay. Now, what is the important conclusion? What you people should be aware? Let me cross check, sir. Forget about this class. Okay. Now. I have one method is there, public, sir, abstract method is there, public abstract void m1. But anyway, if the class declared if the class contain at least one abstract method, better to declare the class as abstract. Now I'm trying to take strict FP. Immediately, comparative method we are going to get, sir. Okay, illegal combination of modifiers. We are getting comparative method. Have you observed, right? Illegal combination of modifiers, abstract and strict FP. This is the comparative method we are going to get, sir. Okay, well, now my important question is, take very special care. Okay, here there is a small twist is there. Okay, now up to this, any doubt? Respond. Up to this, any doubt about this one? Because strict FP always talks about implementation, strict FP method always talks about implementation, but abstract method never talks about implementation. That's why abstract strict FP is illegal for methods. Now I have one small doubt is there, sir. Forget about this strict FP. Okay, here I have some methods are there. Abstract, void. Okay, M2 method is there, sir. Abstract void M2 method is there. Sir, public void M3 method is there. Okay, like now have you observed, right? Now, so public abstract void M1, public void M2, public void M3 is there. Okay, like now my important question is, take very special care about this terminology, friends. So now my important point is, sir, is this code either valid or not? Can you please confirm first? Up to this, is it valid or not? Valid. Because the reason is, abstract class can contain abstract methods and the concrete methods also. Abstract methods and concrete methods also. Yes, it is valid. Now my question is, here see, abstract, why I declare the class as abstract? Because of this abstract method. If a class contains at least one abstract method, then compulsory we require to declare the class as abstract. Okay, well, now one point I'm taking, sir. Here I'm trying to take strict FP. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? Please respond. Yes, good. Everyone, can you please respond? I want to listen the answer from each and every person. Please respond. What answer we are going to get? Don't try to execute and just tell. If I can take like this, compiler is going to get left and right, because abstract and strict FP combination is illegal. Most of the people are going to feel like that. 100% pakka it is valid. Remember this one, 100% pakka it is the valid. Abstract strict FP combination illegal for methods, but legal for classes. Okay, but legal for classes. A bit dangerous point. Legal for classes. This combination is legal for classes. Why? Can you please read this one? Then you can understand very easily about this point, sir. Sir, here observe carefully. Observe a bit carefully. Sir, why we are taking abstract? Abstract always talks about because of this abstract method. Okay. Next, why I am taking this strict FP? Can you please observe? If a class declared as a strict FP, okay, then every concrete method in that class, has to follow IEEE 754 standard. Every concrete method in that class, means strict FP applicable for concrete methods. Now for these two I took strict FP, but this abstract I took sir this abstract sir. No contradiction. Array class declared as abstract, it always refers to abstract modifier. But if the class declared as strict FP, it is always refers to concrete methods. Remember this a bit very carefully about this one. Any doubt? Now let me execute this one. Let me execute this. 100% pakka. This one is perfectly valid. Don't keep any doubt at all. Perfectly itself is valid. So do you know we are using Java 11 version? Perfectly itself is acceptable. So abstract strict FP combination is legal for classes but illegal for methods. Friends, any doubt? So internally, what is the reason also? So this is the most unknown fact, unknown modifier, okay, for most of Java developers. Okay, I'm sure if I can ask array, do you ever strict FP? Out of 100, 99% of the people are going to talk, I don't know about this strict FP. That's why in the interview rooms also, the people are not asking, the people are not asking about this type of thing. Okay, just but anyway, basic idea better to have. Vishnu, if there are no concrete methods, no problem, still it is acceptable. Still it is acceptable. The reason for that is you may take concrete method, then for those concrete methods it is applicable. Suppose tomorrow I want to take 100 concrete methods. Tomorrow I want to take 100 concrete methods. So there is a possibility or not? Are you getting? There is a possibility or not? Yes, there is a possibility. You can take at that time this one will become meaningful. Remember this. Even you are not having any concrete method also, still, sir, this is the legal. Vishnu, getting? That's all. At a class level, it is acceptable, Vinay. Don't worry. So clear, right? Any explanation is required about this strict FP? So the most unknown modifier. If you are Java developer, definitely I can use the word you don't know about this modifier. Okay, there are two reasons are there. Reason number one. So it is a newly added modifier. Reason number two, it is not that much frequently used because most of the times our project is always going to run on one platform. We want to run our project on multiple platforms. If we are going to execute on multiple platforms, if you want floating point arithmetic portability, then we require to go for this strict FP. Clear, right? That's all. Okay. Now, so this is about class level modifiers, whatever I covered, sir. Class level modifiers. Okay. Can you please spell out for top level classes which modifiers are applicable? Which modifiers are applicable for class level modifiers? Which modifiers are applicable for top level classes? Sir, public is allowed. Next, default is allowed. Public default. Next, and after that, final. Next, abstract, and then what? Strict FP. These are things compulsory you people should be aware. Okay, but anyway, even strict FP not required for any certification, whether it is Java 8 or Java 11. But for your interest sake, just I cover this one also. That's all. These are the modifiers which are applicable for the top level classes. Okay. Now the next one, what I have to take, sir. Now the next one, what I have to take, member modifiers. Right? Member means variables and methods. Member modifiers. Member means variables and methods, right? So very simple terminology. Very simple terminology, sir. What is member modifiers? Member modifiers, right? Very simple. So do you know there are multiple modifiers are applicable for members? Public, private, protected, static, native, synchronizer, like all the sigma will come in the picture, sir. Okay. So generally inner classes as a separate topic we have to discuss. Still, strictly speaking, it is also considered a member of a class. Okay, next. Public final. What that Swarup I didn't get. Yeah. Okay, well, those are the modifiers, right? Good. So member modifiers. Okay, now first thing, let me talk about public members. Public members. Public members, right? Okay. Here just take a bit very special care about this one. Public members. Sir, if a member declared the public, then we can access that member from anywhere. The name itself indicates, right? Public members can be accessed. Public members can be accessed from anywhere. From anywhere, public members can be accessed from anywhere, sir. Anywhere you can access public members, no problem at all. Now, I have one small doubt is there. Okay, let me clarify. Let me explain this doubt, sir. Here, very important point. I have one package is there, sir. Pack one is there. Assume just for practice any name you can use, no problem at all. I have class A is there. This class A contain one method, public void m1 method is there. It is public method from A class. It is public method. It is public method from A class. From A class I'm taking, sir. That's all. This is so here A dot Java I'm taking. That's all. So pack one class A public void m1. It is public method from A class like this I'm taking. Now let me go for another program, another class B I'm taking. Now package pack B. Okay, like the package pack B. Next import here import pack one dot A. Import pack one dot A. Sir, here let me create an object for this A is equal to new A dot m1 I'm taking, sir. A dot m1 like this I'm trying to take. Sir, now B dot Java I'm taking. Can you please confirm, sir, is these two programs are valid or not? Can you please confirm? I'm trying to call public method. Public method. Yes, it is the public only. Is it going to be acceptable or not? Please confirm. Is it going to be acceptable or not? Yeah, that is what you people should be aware. Okay, even though member is public, but the class is not public. Not public. That's why you can't access public member from outside of the class, because the class is not public. Remember this one, sir. So even though member is public, but the class is not public. That's why this class is not visible from outside of the package. Neha, take a bit very special care about this one. So this package, it is outside of the package. This A class is not visible. That's why you can't. Remember this one. By mistake, if you are taking like this, compiler is ready to give left and right. Remember this one. This is the small observation you have to take. Java C -d dot A dot Java. A wise, no problem at all. A wise, no issue at all. No problem at all. Next, Java C -d dot B dot Java. Java C -d dot B dot Java. Now observe, compiler is ready to give left and right. A is not public, cannot be accessed from outside package, something like that. Here just observe pack one dot A is not public. In pack one, cannot be accessed from outside, of the package. Like immediately compatible method we are going to get. I hope, are you in the position to understand this one? Yes, friends. So compulsory, the class should be public. Compulsory, the class should be public, and then only we can access. So most of the people are going to feel yes, it is a valid, because they didn't observe that class is visible or not. So if a member and the class both are visible, then only we can access that member from outside of the package. If a class is not visible but member is visible, there is no use of that. Any doubt? Any explanation is required about this one? The most valuable, very important point you people should aware, friends. Okay, so I hope up to this is the clear for all of you. So if class and a member both are public, then only we can access that member from outside package. If both the class and a member, if both the class and a member are public, if both class and member both are public, then only we can access that member from outside the package, from outside our package. Remember, right? So now the next thing what I have to take, very important, of course it's a very easy thing. Next, default members. Now observe default members, right? Okay, so default members can be accessible only within the current package. From outside of the package you can't access. Remember this one, sir. Default members can be accessed only within the current package, but from outside of the package not we can't access. Remember this one, we can't access, like you should aware. Now where is the proof for that? Where is the proof for this? Just observe carefully, right? Okay, here I'm taking just I'm trying to take default members, right? Sir, here the class is the public, member is also public, the class is the public, member is also public, then happily the code is going to compile, no problem at all, it will run also, just because both are public. Now observe this one. Now a.java, the code compiles fine. B.java, the code compiles fine, no problem at all. Next time after that, Java pack2.b, because at the time of execution full qualified name you have to provide. Now it is public method from A class. Perfect, it's working, sir. Now the point here is, observe carefully, the class is public, but the member is not public. Default member. Can you please tell, so is it possible to access this member from outside package? Please confirm, is it valid or invalid? 100% pakka this one is invalid. But the reason, sir, A compiles fine, but a B won't compile. A compiles fine, but a B won't compile. Yes, what the compile time error? M1 is not public in A, cannot be accessed from outside package. Oh, clearly compiler is telling that array it is not public. Okay, like it is telling clearly compile time error. So if a member declared as the default, then we can access that member only in the current package only. Outside the package we can't access. Remember a bit very carefully about this point. Sir, can you please confirm any doubt? Please respond. Any doubt about this one? Okay. Sir, now here just observe a bit very carefully. The same code I'm taking. Consider the following code. Here listen this one. A small bit. Let me try to frame a small bit here. Consider the following Java source files. Okay, like a.java, b.java, like the same whatever I took, sir. A.java, b.java. Now my question is to compile these source files successfully. Which of the following modifications are required independently? Which of the following modifications are required to perform independently? Which of the following modifications are required independently? So now my first option, second option, okay, like I'm trying to take. Can you please tell modification 1, declare M1 method as public. declare m1 method, declare m1 method, method as public in a class, in class A. Yes, this one is going to solve our problem or not? Your respond. This one is going to solve our problem or not? Yes. Can you please suggest any other change independently can combine this code? Any other change independently? Okay, this is one style. Any other change independently to compile both the source files? Yes, friends. Yes, friends. Yeah, excellent suggestion. Excellent suggestion from uh, from Swaroop. Okay, yeah, good thinking, man. Comment a.m1, comment a.m1 inside the B class, inside class B. Excellent, Swaroop. Okay, don't call A class M1 method, then the code is going to compile. No problem at all. Yes, this is also acceptable. Okay, theoretical. Next, any other option is there? Any other option is there? When I think is telling, Amit is telling correct. So the problem here is B is in different package. If I moved B class also to pack A. Okay, rename package B as package pack A. Rename pack B as pack A inside B.java. Inside B.java. Can you please tell, is it valid or not? Is it valid or not? Yes. Here just observe that first change anyway we did, sir. First, if I declare this one as the public, yes, definitely the code both classes are going to compile, no problem at all. I declare M1 as the public. Perfect. There's no doubt at all, right? Okay. Now second change. Okay, here I don't want to take the public. Here this is the Swaroop's unique answer. Comment this line. Remove this line. Then perfect. Here you never going to get any compile time error because you are not calling that M1 method. Yes. Okay, perfect. It is the valid. But I want to call M1. I want to call M1. So let me rename this one also pack A. So package pack A. Of course, then import statement is not required. No problem at all. Even if I'm taking also, what is the problem? Okay, A.java, perfect. It's going to compile. Next to B.java. Yes, we have told, right? B.java. Yes, here there is a problem. M1 is not public in A. Cannot be accessed from outside package. Sir, here why it is telling outside package? Am I doing anywhere here? I saved also, right? Pack 1. 1 minute. Here pack one, correct. Not pack A. Pack one. Okay, pack 1. Okay, or otherwise pack A. 1 minute. All our bits also. Here pack 1 I took, but here pack 2 I took. 1 minute, friends. Pack 1, pack 2. Pack 1, here pack 2. Pack 2, yes, pack 1. Okay, yeah. So now observe carefully pack 1. That one I'm taking. Now here just observe. Happily the code is going to be compiled, no problem at all. Regarding happily itself is a valid, no problem. Just whatever package name here we use, use the same package name for this class also. Then happily the code is going to be compiled. Any doubt? What is the answer we are going to get in this case? Anyone, can you please confirm? A, B, C. All the things are perfectly valid. Just the framing based on the small point the question style. Okay, that's all. Here, nothing is there to talk about this. Next, let me go for last one, private modifier. Private modifiers, right? There are private members. Last third one, private members. Members are like private members. Sir, take very special care about private members. Do you know, if a class, if a member declared the private, we can access that member within the same class only. Okay, if a member is private, then we can access that member. Within the same class only. You know, from our childhood onwards, we are discussing, sir. If a member is private, then we can access that member within the same class only. By mistake, if you are trying to access from outside of the class, immediately error we are going to get. We covered, not required to keep any explanation also. Sir, here it is the private method. But still I'm trying to access from the same package also, from the same package only, from same package but from outside of the class, okay, immediately error we are going to get. So no problem at all. A.java compiles fine, B.java, you are in the same package, but still compile time error we are getting. M1 has private access in A. This is the compile time error we are going to get, sir. The most, sir, this is the very basic thing. I hope you were already right. Okay, yeah, just A.java I'm trying to take. Nothing will be there. Compile time error by default we are going to get if I can take like this. Okay, what's the reason for that? You know, private members cannot be accessed from outside. Private members cannot be accessed from outside of the class. But I am trying to access from outside of the class, of course, in the same package. So still, this one is invalid, right? Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Okay. Next, one more thing I covered very clearly in the last sessions. Only this one I covered. Why private methods cannot be declared as okay, abstract. You know the reason. Not required to keep any explanation. Okay, private methods cannot be declared as abstract. Why? What is the reason for that? Private methods not visible to the child classes, but abstract methods should be visible to the child classes to provide implementation. Okay, so private methods are not visible to the child classes, but abstract methods should be visible to the child classes. That's why this one is contradiction. Immediately error we are going to get, sir. Remember this one. Immediately error we are going to get. So if for private and abstract, if we declare like this, are you getting the point, right? Any doubt about this? Respond. So any explanation is required about this point? Ayo, respond. Any explanation is required, because this point already we covered multiple times. Now the next dangerous concept I have to discuss. Okay, protected modifier. So take very special care about this one. Take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? What is the problem? The problem is here protected modifier, the most misunderstandable modifier, the most misunderstanding modifier in Java. This is the protected, sir. Most of the people are not having clear clarity about this one. Compulsory you should have clear clarity about this one. Okay, what that's very simple. So if a member declared as protected, if a member declared as protected, okay, remember this one, member declared as protected, then we can access that member, anywhere, from anywhere within the same package, from anywhere within the same package, from anywhere within the same package, same package, and from outside, a package, only in child classes, Sir, up to this most of the people already aware, not required to keep much explanation. Any doubt? If a member declared the protected, then we can access that member from anywhere within the same package and from outside of the package only in child classes. That's why protected is equal to default. Default means package level. Default means package level plus kids. Kids means child classes. So you can use protected is equal to default plus kids. Default plus kids, like this we can take. Now the important conclusion, what you should aware, the important point, what you should aware, sir. That's all. This is about protected. Okay, like now the point is, take very special care about this one. Okay, why I told it is the most misunderstandable or misunderstanding modifier in Java? What the reason? Within a minute you will come to know, sir. Just observe carefully about this one. I have class A is there. Okay, 1 minute. Let me take here. I'm trying to take class A. Okay, here just observe this one. I'm taking class A. Class A is there. Class A is there. Next, here public class B extends public class B extends A extends A. Okay, like now I want to call this protected method. Okay, protected method. Okay, sir, it is protected method from A class. Protected method from A class or protected method, like this I'm taking, sir. Now my question is very important, very dangerous. Take a bit special care. Here A is equal to new A dot m1. B is equal to new B dot m1. A1 is equal to new B A1 dot m1. That's all. Can you please observe A and the B classes are in the same package, pack one only. Now among these, which method calls are valid, which method calls are invalid? Can you please confirm which method calls are valid, which method calls are invalid? A dot m1, B dot m1, A1 dot m1. Please confirm. This total I want to save as B dot Java. This total I'm saving as B dot Java. No problem. B dot Java. It is acceptable. What the reason for that is? It is acceptable. B dot Java. Okay, because here public class B. Public class B. That's why B dot Java. It is acceptable. Yes, friends, can you please confirm any doubt about this? All three are valid. Neha, okay, remember this one. Remember, a bit very important, very important, sir. Remember this. So the important point here is take a bit very special care about this one. Sir, here A.M1, B.M1, A1.M1, like within the same package, okay, within the same package, we can access protected members. We can access protected members. We can access protected members within the same package. We can access protected members either by using parent reference, or by using child reference. Either by using parent reference or by using child reference. That's why whether you are using either parent reference or child reference, no problem at all. All the three things are acceptable. Okay, like now have a look once about this one. So sorry, here B.Java, because our program name is B.Java. Sorry, B.Java. Only one thing is there. B.Java acceptable. Next, Java pack1 dot B. I'm taking. Yes, protected method. All the three method calls are valid. There is no problem at all. Yes, friends. Any doubt about this code? Please confirm. Which of the following lines causes compile time error? Which of the following lines causes compile time error? Like sir, line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay, none of these. Sir, what is the answer? You can, what the answers are? D. No problem at all, sir, because nothing is going to cause the problem. Okay, within the same package we can access protected members either by using parent reference or by using child reference. No restrictions, right? Okay, sir, now my question is, what the next one? This is about private members, right? Okay, like what is the next thing? Sorry, this is about protected members within the same package. But now here observe this one. Sir, this A is available inside pack1. Now listen, I'm trying to change my code. Okay, A is available inside pack1. Inside pack1. Let me make the class also public. Okay, here I'm saving this code as A.Java. But B is available. Inside pack2. B is available inside pack2. Public class B extends A and import pack1.a. Sir, this concept is very important if you are planning for Java 11 certification. That's why please make sure you should aware. Now, can you please tell among these which lines are valid, which method calls are valid, which method calls are invalid? Yes, which method calls are valid, which method calls are invalid? Yes, friend, can you please confirm? Okay, now the point here is, listen very carefully, sir. Okay, sir, here within the same package we can access protected members either by using parent reference or by using child reference. But from outside of the package, we can access protected members. Only in child classes. And we should use and we should use child class reference only, and we should use child class reference only, that is to access protected members, to access protected members from outside package we can't use parent reference, we can't use parent reference. That's all. How beautiful this point. Now, based on this, okay, based on this, which are valid and which are invalid, which is the parent class, which is the child class. A is the parent, B is the child. From outside package to access protected members, okay, we can't use parent reference. Here I use parent reference. Here I use a parent reference. A1 is what type? A type. A is what type? A type. That's why in this line, we are going to get compile time error. Remember, right? Okay. So I will show this one. Don't worry at all. Okay. Consider this is my A.Java, the most valuable, important for the exam sake. Take a bit special care about this one. Next, B.Java. Next, B.Java. Okay, like B.Java. Now, sir, this is so which lines causes compile time error. Okay. Now the same which of the following lines causes compile time error. Okay. Now I'm trying to take line 1 and line 2. I'm taking line 2 and line 3. I'm trying to take. Next, line 1 and line 3. I'm trying to take line 3. Next, sir, all line 1, line 1, 1, 1, line 2 and line 3. I'm trying to take. Yeah. Can you please guide which one is the correct answer in this case? Yes, friend. Can you please tell line 1 and line 3? Okay. Here, just observe. Which of the following lines cause compile time error? Okay. Which of the following lines cause compile time error? You people should aware, right? Okay. So now here just observe carefully. Okay. Observe carefully. Now let me execute A.Java. Let me execute A.Java. Sir, any doubt? Everyone in the position to understand my explanation? Please confirm. Clearly documented also. Everyone in the position to understand? Can you please confirm? Yes, friends. Okay. So happily, do you know, parent within the same package, you can access either by parent reference or by child reference. But from outside of the package, we should use child reference only. Parent reference cannot be used to access. Parent reference cannot be used to access. Okay, protected members from outside package. Okay, remember, very important point. Now let me compile A.Java. Yes, the code compiles. Let me compile A.Java. Happily, the code compiles. Now let me compile B.Java. Let me compile B.Java. Compiler is going to give left and right at line number 2 and 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Are you getting? Yet which lines we are getting compile time error? It is very clear for you people, right? Just observe the line 1 and line 3. We are getting compile time error. Okay? Yet line 1 and line 3. We are getting compile time error. Let me comment these lines. Let me comment line 1 and line 3. Perfectly, it should be acceptable. No doubt at all. Okay. Now, here A.Java, we are not required to compile. But B.Java, do you know? Here just observe. Happily the code compiles fine. No issue at all. No issue at all. Okay, like that. Now Java here pack 2.b I'm taking. Now observe this one. Happily it's going to execute, sir. Happily this one is going to execute, no problem at all. 1 minute. Yes, are you getting the point, right? If I execute it, definitely this one is going to be compiled, no problem at all. Okay, so what may be the reason? What may be the reason? Do you know the name itself is protected? Protected, Vinay, the name itself is protected. Protected means, do you know, in the worst case only you can use. It is a saved method. In the worst scenario only you have to use. Okay, don't bring this method always don't bring this method always. Okay, like, so what they are telling, array, you are already in the outside package, you are already in the outside package, don't depend on this protected method. You have to define that protected method, okay, in your class. You require to define that method in your class and you can access. If you are providing a by using a m1 means, you are directly telling I want parent class m1 method. Array, it is protected. In the worst scenario, if your class doesn't contain, then only I will come in the picture. Do you know protected means? Protected means, sir, protected means highly recommended to override. Highly recommended to override in the worst case scenarios only. Worst scenarios only. In the worst scenarios only bring this method. This is the meaning, sir. Protected. Abstract is the different. Sir, observe, don't get confused. Abstract means you should override. You should override to provide implementation. To provide implementation, you should override to provide implementation. But here, protected means highly recommended to override this method. Don't depend on that. In the worst scenarios only bring this method like. So now, do you know, you are in the same package, then anyway it is visible. That's why you can use either parent reference or child reference, no problem at all. But you are outside person. Outside of the package. But how you can give a about my method, man? Don't. Sorry, you can't call like this. Like this type of restriction, the Java people kept. There's a big reason internally there. Are you getting at least basic idea? What may be the internal reason? Yes, getting the point. Now, so what their intention is, okay, compulsory you have to provide public void yammer. Okay, in your class, better to define this one. Why you are talking about a class yammer? So a class yammer method we are not going to highlight to you because it's a protected. In the worst scenarios I will provide support, don't worry, but don't, I won't yellow you to call directly like this. Okay, this is the meaning of this. Any doubt? Are you in the position to understand what the meaning of protected? Why the word? So that's why at the beginning only I used the most misunderstandable modifier in Java is the protected. The most misunderstanding modifier in Java is the protected modifier. Okay, because these are reasons. Now, just any doubt about this? Can you please confirm? Within the same package, we can access protected members either by using parent reference or by using child reference. Okay, but from outside of the package, we can access protected members only in child classes, and we should use a child class reference only. That is to access protected members from outside package. We can't use parent reference. Any doubt? Any doubt about this? Okay, now still, okay, now still one more important thing is there. Okay, one more important thing is there. Take very special care. Okay, dangerous point I have to talk. Sir, up to this, okay, acceptable. Now my point is, listen this one. Listen this a bit carefully. Now I'm trying to take. So let me close this b.java. Let me close this b.java. I'm trying to close. Okay. Let me open another file. Now I'm saving. package pack 2. Okay, package pack 2. Import pack 1. Import pack 1. Class B extends A. Class B extends A. Extends A. Next, public class C extends B. Public class C extends B. Now observe the relation. A is the parent. For that B is the child. Okay. For B, sir, C is the child. For B, C is the child. Okay. A is the parent. B is the next child. C is the next child. Okay, like that. Public static void main. Sir, here I am taking A is equal to A dot M1. B is equal to new B dot M1. A1 is equal to like this. Excellent. Next up, A2 is equal to new C A2 dot M1. Next okay. B1 is equal to new C B1 dot M1. Next C1 is equal to C is equal to new C is equal to new C dot M1. What wonderful. Let me save this one. Yes, C dot Java. Okay. Now my question is, listen carefully. Sir, this is line 3 and this one is the line 4. Okay. Line 5. Next line 6. Yeah. Can you please observe? Among these lines, which lines are valid, which lines are invalid? Among these, which lines are valid, which lines are invalid? Okay, safe side. Let me remove spaces here. Yeah, all are visible. Can you please confirm among these which lines are valid, which lines are invalid? Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, line 6. Yes. Please confirm. Anyone? Yeah. Don't try to execute and tell what may be the answers. 1, 3, 4 are invalid. Okay, just better to think a bit carefully and then let me know. Okay, just I'm stopping the session here.